Hi guys, doing and welcome to another Arc Garage video. As you can see right here, the DIY LED taillights on my Alfa Romeo GT are no more. A few of the LEDs went out. I tried to film it, but due to the light sensitivity I wasn't able to capture it good on camera. So in this video I'm gonna go over the cost, part accessibility, and in the end the longevity. First, let's go over the price. Now, all of the components that I needed cost me over 200 euros, which is a lot. Now, the problem was the acquisition of those parts. It was really hard to get the quality LED strips in the first place. Now, when it comes to longevity, my LED taillights lasted just over 8 months, which is not a lot. Now two more questions remain. Was it really worth the hassle, and would I advise you to do it? Now, in my opinion, it really wasn't worth the effort that I put into it, although it really looked great, and I certainly wouldn't advise you to do it. It costs too much and it doesn't last as much as it should. That would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.